She drove over a sidewalk, leaving a parking lot. Lights come on. Friend calls her cop aunt. Passengers start interfering. Emily decides she's not cooperating with anything. One of the most chaotic DUI stops you'll ever watch.
Hi, baby.
Hi, how you guys
How are
doing?
you?
Sure, police, please.
PPA.
Huh?
She has a PPA.
Okay.
We were arguing because she wanted to
Where do you want to go?
She wanted to sleep and I didn't want to leave yet.
Okay.
So that's why you saw us stalling.
Okay. I don't
need to go
need
now.
to talk to you. I just need to talk to her, okay?
Okay.
I'm Officer Old Point Beach Police Lane. I'm recording. Do you have your license, registration, insurance? Do you know why I'm stopping you?
No, why are you?
You
Because
did
she was
not. You
stalling.
drove. Nope. Again, I need to speak with her. You drove over a sidewalk. You did not go through the exit of that parking lot.
We were
You know we were arguing.
Yes.
We were
Okay.
arguing.
I literally just told you what happened. I'm being so serious. We were arguing. And I'm very sorry. Can we keep going with our night?
Not right now.
Please, baby.
It's just because she
We were just-
wanted to stay
She wanted
and
to
we
stay
wanted to leave.
and we want to go home. That's all.
That's why we were arguing, because we wanted to go.
I mean,
That's the
I
only
don't-
reason we're stalling.
I don't care that
Other
you
than
guys
that, we're gonna
you
go
guys were
home.
stalling or arguing.
Because we just want to go home. We don't want to stall right here. We don't want to get recorded. We don't want any of that.
We were
wanna go
trying
home.
to tell her we wanted to go.
I gotcha.
That's all. So
Do you have your license,
I
the
do.
registration insurance?
So I'm making your way over to Wednesday Street for a white sports car that's been going around the loop. So a couple arguing.
we're about to leave. Everything's fine.
3-4 south. I was there from the south entry. 26 again.
Who are you calling?
My aunt, she's
Her aunt's a
bubble
bubble
cop.
cop.
Huh? Okay.
She's a bubble cop.
I need you to get your license,
She has her
registration.
license. Everything's okay.
She just wants to call her so she feels
This is
safe.
my aunt. This is my bubble police. You need registration and
The registration and
everything.
insurance.
That's fine. I'm so sorry. We're just
Do you have? All right. Calling her is the least of the priority.
what do you need?
I need the registration and the insurance.
Yeah.
Is this your car?
Yeah.
Do you have the registration and
Honey,
insurance?
Everything is
Can you
registered.
can you
Honey,
give it
what's
to me,
wrong,
please?
honey?
That means like now,
Yes,
please.
She's giving it.
She's not.
Oh.
So
Through the headquarters
No,
will
I
be
am.
clear.
I
Mr.
am.
Beardy.
She has
Okay.
her photo.
No issues.
Honey, she is getting her the stuff. I know, you're over here backing yourself
Good
up.
tag for this white sports car.
I know, baby. She's not though. You gotta like be conscious of what's actually happening. Like you can say what's happening, but it's not happening.
all right. So clearly you're not, because I see you're calling people. So
Because
No,
I want to
right
call
here,
her
right
aunt.
What
here.
if-
I want to call her aunt. Her
Okay.
aunt's a cop, and I want to call her.
Okay.
Yeah, in Belleville.
If you had a, if you
Yeah,
had,
that-
if you
that
had
holds
a
no
daughter,
relevance.
If you had a daughter, you would want her to call somebody. Tell me not.
I would want my daughter not to drive over sidewalks.
Yeah, you're right. You're not even lying. You're right.
New Jersey, Echo 71, uniform, Sierra
Alexis,
X-ray.
we know that. That's why we got pulled up.
Hi,
Wait,
ma'am.
what do we need
I
to
need
do?
I need you. All right.
All right,
I'm
stop,
done
stop.
talking to you.
All right,
I need you to shut up.
I will,
Okay.
I will.
Hi, ma'am.
Yes.
All right. You're a police officer, right? That's what they've told me about a million times. Okay.
Yes.
If you could just relay over, I don't know what your relation is to everyone in this car. They're being very uncooperative with me. So apparently they'll only listen to you and not me. Can you tell them just to cooperate with any lawful command that I give them?
Yes. Emily.
I am.
No, you're not. No, you're
Okay.
not.
Emily.
I need the registration too. You gave me the insurance
To your car?
and updated insurance. This card's expired from 2021.
I have it in
I
my
will find it,
phone.
baby.
Okay.
I will find
Okay,
it.
so look for it in your phone, Emily. This is the same thing. When you get pulled over, you need to provide your driver's license, registration, and insurance.
Okay.
It's simple. Look for it in your
Okay.
phone. And
63031.
I found my insurance.
Yeah, that card's expired. Are you able to pull it up on your phone?
I have it on my phone.
Okay, can you pull it up on your phone?
Right, Emily, I'm gonna pull it up on my phone. Hold on.
Thank you. I'm so sorry. I really hate to embarrass her. I'm so sorry.
Were you able to find the registration too, or no?
She's gonna pull it up.
I'm just gonna pull it up on my phone. Like, everything's on my phone.
On the Bank of America app?
Yeah.
That makes absolutely no sense.
No?
No, your insurance would not be on the Bank of America app. This is what I'm going to ask you to do. I'm just going to ask you to hop out. You can leave your phone in the car if you'd like.
No, I don't think so.
Huh?
I don't want to. My aunt's on the phone.
Okay, we're going to go right back here onto the sidewalk, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to take your phone and put it back in the car, okay? You still on the phone with your aunt?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, then she could tell you.
Call me back later. You have to listen to what he's gonna tell you.
Okay. Fine.
You want to leave it there?
Yeah.
3-1. I'm going to be out testing. All right. So I'm just going to subject you to some field sobriety testing.
Okay.
First test is going to be the alphabet test.
Okay, I already heard. I don't know the alphabet test.
Huh? Okay, well,
I know it's backwards.
I'm gonna no. I can't even do it backwards. I'm not gonna make you do something I can't do. So, what's your highest level of education?
What are you doing on you, Emily?
Ma'am, she's being tested for intoxication, okay?
Hey, they're texting her.
I don't want any tests on me.
Huh?
I don't want any tests on me.
Okay, so here, I'm just gonna explain to you what's going on.
Yeah, I
Due-
know
due
what's
to
going
your-
on. You're gonna test
Push vote will
me.
be clear to notice.
I don't
So-
want no tests on me.
Look, I smell the odor of alcohol coming from the vehicle. I'm isolating you from the source. I get if you guys were probably all out drinking. I get that. I'm just trying to isolate you from the source. You drove over the sidewalk and you've been acting kind of erratic with me the entire time since I pulled you
Erratic?
over. Yes. You were making all the phone calls, all the text messages. I
No,
gave you
wasn't.
plenty of leeway.
I wasn't.
Yes.
Though.
Yes, you have. So, that's all. I just want to make sure you're okay to drive.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
So, yes,
My
and
aunt
that's-
just made
and
a
that's the-
phone call.
Okay.
I'm okay.
I need stay right here. Stop walking away. Look, all I want to do is just do these 3 tests. After these tests, as long as you do good, you'll be in the car on your way. Okay?
What's the issue?
They're trying to get out of the car and tell her to deny.
Stay in the car. I'm Sergeant Hayes. I'm in charge tonight. You're gonna stay in the you're gonna stay in the vehicle. Perfect.
It wasn't though.
She wants to tell you something legally. She wants to tell you
Ma'am,
something
I'm
legally. as
Sergeant.
right.
This is Sergeant Hayes. I'm Sergeant Hayes. I'm in charge tonight. You guys are gonna stay in the car. You guys are all detained. You're gonna stay in the vehicle. Okay? Perfect. Close the door.
She studies law.
You gotta put your legs back in the car.
That's fine. I don't care.
Hey, go tell her you're
Watch
older.
watch
Go
your
tell
watch
her. She's right there.
watch your legs, man.
Go tell her. She doesn't hear you. I'm being serious. Go.
Hey, honey.
You're giving her wrong information. If she does not submit to these tests, she will be arrested regardless, okay? So stop yelling at her, okay? Or you'll all be charged with obstruction. You understand me?
Okay.
Okay, so be quiet.
Outside, her friends are screaming, trying to get out of the car, telling her to deny everything. Obstruction charges get threatened. Sergeant has to come shut it down. All over a sidewalk.
Are you going to follow my testing? Like I said, as long as you pass everything, you'll be on your way. Okay? Okay? So look, just take a couple deep breaths. Okay? I'll give you a minute. Okay? No, just take a couple deep breaths, okay? I need you to stand with your feet together and your hands loosely at your sides, just like this. Okay? Do you understand those instructions? Okay. So, with a foot of your choosing, I want you to raise a foot approximately 6 inches off the ground. With the raised foot, keeping it parallel to the ground, I want you to stare at your foot and count out loud. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, and so on until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Do you understand those instructions?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, before we begin that test, do you have any disabilities or injuries that would inhibit you from standing on one leg?
I'm losing my hair. That's that's what's.
Field sobriety tests start. She says her hair loss might affect her balance. Not joking. Starts before he says go. Loses count. Walks off mid-test. Officer keeps his composure the whole time.
Does your hair loss inhibit your ability to stand on one leg?
I think so.
Okay, so how about this? Do you still feel confident that you'll be able to at least try to take it?
I will try to take it, but
Okay.
my hair loss.
I'll obviously, anything that you tell me, I'll take into consideration.
Okay.
I just want you to give it, if you think that you'll be able to do it.
My hair loss is definitely efficient.
Okay, I want you to give it your best try.
Okay.
Okay? You understand the instructions?
Yes.
Okay, then you can begin whenever. This next test that we're going to do is called the walk and turn test. So before I even begin explaining the instructions, do you have any type of injury
No, I don't have any.
or I still have to ask.
Okay.
I ask everybody, so that's all.
I have back injuries.
Okay. Do you have any injury or disability that would inhibit you from taking 9 heel-to-toe steps, turning around and taking 9 steps back?
Maybe my back.
Your back? Upper back, lower back?
Lower back.
Lower back? Okay. But again, do you still think you'll be able to attempt the test?
I think so.
I'm gonna try this one more time, all right? Keep put your hands.
I'm looking at you crying.
41.
No,
All right, Emily, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for driving while intoxicated, okay?
Really?
Yep.
Why?
Because you're intoxicated.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
That's okay.
Look at that.
3 headquarters.
All right. We're going to go right around this car.
Ladies, Emily's being placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated. We have to impound the vehicle, take all of your personal effects out of it. It's going to our tow yard. So just anything that belongs to you guys, you could take out.
Where's the vehicle going?
It's going to our tow yard.
that?
I'm not telling you because she needs to get it out in 12 hours.
Wait, we can't take it out within 12 hours?
In 12 hours, she will be told where it
Can we take
is.
it out within 12 hours?
Within 12 hours, no. By law, it has to be held for 12. So anything that's yours in this vehicle,
Guys, bro.
that's
You
fine.
guys are ridiculous.
Anything that's in the vehicle, you guys can take out.
You guys are ridiculous.
Okay.
I told you I
All
was a
cars
veteran and you
advised,
still didn't do
ETA
shit
10
about
minutes.
it.
What are we supposed to do? Let drunks drive on the road?
She wasn't.
She's hammered.
She's not.
She's hammered.
She's not.
Okay.
And we all said we were going to drive her.
phone. I'm just going to go right now.
Perfect. Make sure she doesn't have
Where
the
are you
keys with
from?
her,
Where
right?
are you from?
Here.
Where?
She doesn't have any pockets or anything.
Okay. What else? Does she have a wallet or anything like that? Just ask her what else she needs from the vehicle.
I have nothing on me.
That's fine. Whatever, ma'am, whatever is yours in the vehicle, you can get. We need to grab the keys.
Are we towing this?
Yes.
All right, Emily, I have your phone. What else do you need from the car?
Nothing.
Do you have a wallet in there that you want? House keys?
Nothing. Give me my phone, bro.
Huh? You don't want anything else from
No.
your... Okay.
I think so. Do you know the time?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, booby. What's
Hi,
up?
step aside.
Why do you want to look at her
I need to
purse?
see.
My purse.
I need the keys to the vehicle.
That's not ethical, right?
I need the keys to the vehicle.
Can I give you the?
I'll
give you the
pass it to
Absolutely,
you.
please. That's all I need.
That's
Please.
Then they requested.
I did.
Okay.
Don't break the law.
Please.
Don't break the
Not-
law.
I'm-
Don't break the law.
Yeah, same goes to you.
Don't
We'll just
break
grab
the
us
law.
the keys and then you guys can get out
We're
of
gonna
here.
give you the
That's
keys.
Perfect,
piss me off.
please.
Do not break the law.
Okay, we're gonna.
I will get it.
We're gonna. Give
Don't break the law.
Everything's fine. We're giving you the keys right now, and that's all that's going on. Can you please ask her where the keys are?
She said they were in the vehicle.
Yeah, go ask her.
Can we
please.
look in the vehicle?
Can you ask
That's
her?
what I just did.
Can you ask her?
Look.
I'll go look.
Can I come with you?
Absolutely.
To look-
If you want to, yeah, go ahead,
Ask her,
find them.
Lexi. Go ask her. Where's the car keys?
She's already on the way to headquarters.
Can you look?
Yeah, I will look. Ask her where the car key is.
No, she's on the way. She's not here. She's on the way to headquarters.
We know if she doesn't tell us.
Okay, can I help you, sir?
Absolutely, please do. Absolutely.
Sorry about that. I didn't know.
It's okay. It's okay.
1, Outback, calling ending.
I can hold it, but I can't give it to you. Where do you want me to point it? Those are AirPods.
I don't know.
What do you want to
They're
do?
actually in here. They're outside already. I might have taken them out. Can you start the car for me? Or I can. I'm not driving.
Well, let's see.
Here, just press that. So it's in here. Okay, that's fine.
The keys are somewhere.
I just want to see. That's all. I'm gonna look. Okay. Is that okay if I look?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's in her purse.
Her purse is
Here
down
it
there?
is.
Perfect. We'll take that to headquarters for her.
Let me get.
Nope. This is her property. Okay.
Oh,
We'll take it to headquarters. We'll take it to headquarters since this belongs to her because she was asking for it anyway.
That's fine.
Perfect.
Can I zip it?
Nope, I got it. It's all good.
I found her keys.
In handcuffs, so.
You go right through here. All right. Oh, stop. We're gonna go right down here.
To me in handcuffs?
I just need you to put your back up against the wall. Just gotta take 2 pictures.
2 pictures.
Yep. Just look right at the camera. All right. Turn your head. No. Back. No, you can back towards the wall. No, back towards the wall, and then your head facing me.
Only turn your head.
Just your head.
Only turn your head to the right. Look over your right shoulder.
No, like this.
Like what?
No. Put your back up against the wall. Like this. Turn your head like that.
Like this?
No, turn your head and look at him. No, the middle finger doesn't work. Turn your head to the right. Only look at him. See the mustache? No. Shoulders stay on the wall. This isn't cute. Here, ready?
Do not touch me.
No, you're not listening.
I am.
No, you're not.
No, you're not.
You said turn my head.
You're not
Yes.
turning.
I am.
And you're talking,
I'm
first
turning
off,
my head.
First off, it's going to the left. There, just like that.
Do not.
Just like that.
Do not
just
touch
like that.
me.
So like that. So like that. So like that.
All right.
There you go.
All right. Can come over here. Have a seat on the bench. Nope.
You said right here.
Yep, right here. Just need in your one hand. All right. Refused the breathalyzer, then said, sure. Refused every booking question. Hair growth medicine. At some point, the officer just stopped asking. DWI, car towed, friends stranded.